Hey everyone, in this video I will show you how to use credit card in Shopee. It's fast, easy and secure, so let's get started. First of all, browse the Shopee app or website, find the item you want to buy, then click here. Once you have found them, add them to your cart by clicking the Add to Cart button. Then click Add to Cart. Next, tap on it, then click Checkout. Now you will be asked to choose a payment method, select credit and debit card from the option. If you haven't saved a card yet, enter your card details including your card number, expiration date and CVV. Once you have entered your details, you can choose to save your card for future purchases. Then click confirm to finalize the payment. Don't worry, Shopee's payment system is secure and your information is protected. And that's it. Your purchase will be processed and you will receive a confirmation shortly. Thanks for watching and enjoy shopping on Shopee.